The purpose of bookkeeping how-tos. Understanding the purpose of these guides is crucial for anyone looking to manage finances effectively, whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or simply handling personal finances. Bookkeeping is the backbone of financial management, providing a systematic record of all financial transactions. So why do we need bookkeeping how-tos? First, they provide clarity. Financial records can be complex, and having step-by-step guides helps demystify the process, ensuring accuracy and consistency. These how-tos serve as educational tools, particularly for those new to bookkeeping. They break down core concepts like double-entry accounting, accounts payable and receivable, and trial balances into digestible chunks. This foundational knowledge helps prevent costly mistakes and ensures compliance with financial regulations. Bookkeeping how-tos also offer guidance on using bookkeeping software, which can greatly enhance efficiency. In today's digital age, knowing how to leverage technology to automate repetitive tasks is invaluable. These guides introduce software options, demonstrating how to input data and generate reports. Moreover, they teach financial analysis. Understanding financial statements, profit margins, and cash flow is essential for business growth. Bookkeeping guides explain how to interpret this data to make informed decisions, reducing the risk of financial pitfalls. For business professionals, these how-tos help understand tax obligations, guiding you through necessary documentation and deadlines to avoid penalties. They often include tips for organizing receipts and expenses, simplifying tax season. Additionally, maintaining good financial records facilitates better communication with stakeholders, such as investors and lenders. Clear and accurate bookkeeping can increase trust and provide greater opportunities for investment and expansion. In summary, bookkeeping how-tos are indispensable resources for financial literacy. Whether you're starting anew or refining existing skills, these guides illuminate the path to effective financial management.